How to use virtual card on Revolut. So the first step is to simply open Revolut and then simply tap on the card icon in the top right corner. Then what you're gonna have to do is simply tap on add new and then simply select virtual. So as you can see, I have reached the limit of virtual cards, but you're gonna have this option available. So simply tap on that and then it's gonna look something similar to this. Now, in order to use it, you're gonna have to simply tap on it and then you can see the 16 number of the debit card and you're gonna see the expiration date and the CVV code. You can also add this to your Apple Pay or Google Pay, and basically that's it. You can use it as a normal card. Of course, you're gonna have to make sure that you have money in your Revolut account. I already made a tutorial about how you can add money to your Revolut account, so if you want to check that out. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.